Remove all occurrences of a value from a list. In Python remove, we'll remove the first occurrence of value in a list. How to remove all occurrences of a value from a list? This is what I have in mind.
You can use a list comprehension.
Functional approach, Python 3.x. Or Python 2.x.
You can use slice assignment if the original list must be modified while still using an efficient list comprehension or generator expression.
Repeating the solution of the first post in a more abstract way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.